Nature's incredible water tanks. Ever wondered how rainforest plants serve as bustling ecosystems? Okay, so bromeliads, those vibrant, spiky wonders, hold secrets within their leafy embrace. These remarkable plants, nestled in the dense rainforest, create miniature ponds brimming with life. Their leaves catch and store rainwater, becoming safe havens for frogs and a myriad of insects. It's as if each plant magically transforms into a self-sufficient universe, showcasing an extraordinary symbiotic relationship. Frogs find refuge, insects build homes, and nature's clever design blossoms brilliantly. However, the real magic unfolds when you realize it's all a natural masterpiece. Imagine discovering such a marvel in your backyard. Surprising, right?